Hi there, welcome to another SMSBump video. In this one, we'll guide you through some of the app settings and more specifically, the ones that control the message timing. You will learn how to configure when your store sends text messages to customers and when it doesn't. So to start, head to the Settings tab in your SMSBump dashboard. The first section is called General, and that's where all the timing settings are located. At the top, you have a field called Global Sender that allows you to customize the sender name customers see when they receive your messages. Some countries, like the US or Canada, do not allow global senders, and in this case, your messages will be sent via a personalized number your account is associated with. This number is provided by SMSBump so that you never send messages from the personal phone number you signed up with. Next up is the time zone setting. Since text message marketing relies heavily on timing to be as effective as possible, it's absolutely vital for you to set your time zone to your store's location. This way, SMSBump will know when to send your message so it reaches your subscribers precisely when you want it to. Underneath, you have a field to specify your country. All of the subscribers who haven't entered a country code when entering their phone number will be defaulted to the country you set here. Next is the quiet hours field, and it relies on the time zone you selected in the field above. This is where you set the period of the day your store doesn't send any messages to your subscribers. This setting ensures that your subscribers don't get bothered by text messages in the middle of the night. Now for the smart sending. This feature lets you configure a time interval between your messages so you don't spam customers. The recommended time is 16 to 20 hours, but it's up to you to decide. Finally, the setting to enable or disable double opt-in. To put it simply, enabling the double opt-in means that subscribers need to reply with Y for yes when they receive a subscription confirmation message from your store. This is how they confirm they want to receive text messages from you, so you're certain your store is not sending texts to people who don't want them. And that's pretty much it for the general timing settings of SMSBump. These are the basics you must configure before you begin using the app, so finish them up quickly and you'll be able to get into the more interesting stuff. Subscribe if you haven't yet to get new SMS marketing guides from SMSBump, and give us a like if this helped you set up your app. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.